everybody, it's Leah from Meisner Sewing here to talk to you guys about Kids Crafting Camp. So it's that time of year, kids are looking for something to do this summer, and we have a week-long crafting camp for your artistic kiddos. It will be 10 to 12 p.m. every single day, and they'll do a different project and a different art skill every single day of the week. Day 1, hand sewing, stuffed felt keychain. Kick off the week by learning the basics of hand sewing. Campers will create their very own stuffed keychain, choosing from a variety of colors and shapes. This project will introduce essential sewing techniques while sparking imagination. Day 2, machine sewing, fabric basket. On day 2, campers will dive into the world of machine sewing. With guidance, they will learn how to operate a sewing machine to create a charming fabric basket. This useful and stylish project will help enhance their sewing skills and boost their confidence. Day 3, friendship bracelets. Crafting friendship is the theme of day 3. Campers will use colorful threads and beads to design beautiful friendship bracelets. This fun activity encourages teamwork, sharing, and creativity as they make unique pieces to exchange with new friends. Day 4, watercolor painting. Artistic expression takes center stage on day 4 with watercolor painting. Campers will learn various techniques to create stunning artwork with watercolors. They'll explore blending, layering, and brush techniques to bring their imagination to life on paper. Day 5, hand embroidery. Wrap up the week with hand embroidery, where campers will learn to create beautiful designs using a needle and thread. This relaxing and rewarding project allows them to personalize their creations, and they'll leave with their very own hand embroidered masterpiece. Throughout the week, our experienced instructors will provide personalized attention, ensuring that each camper feels supported and encouraged. Join us for a week of fun, creativity, and lasting memories at Kids Crafting Camp.